This is the Elite Renegade military-style airsoft rifle, manufactured by GameFace, sold by Amazon. Spring-powered, no batteries required, meaning that, right, see this, pull it back, there's BB in there, no BB, no, there's not actually a BB in there, but if there was a BB in there, you fire, have to pull it back again, fire, have to pull it back again, fire. It is not automatic, is what I'm getting at. Alright, so this gun comes with a detachable buttstock to make it longer after you put it on, or no, you push that down, slide it forward. Buttstock slides on like so. Alright. The mag holds 200 rounds, I believe. BBs go in here. They go down into the loading mechanism. BBs come up, the spring pushes them up and into a loading chamber. If they're in the loading chamber, pull back, let it go, and you just figure of speech. It is not automatic. Again, not automatic. It has one safe, 2 fire. I'm not sure why, but it does. I guess so you have more fire than safe, which I think you should really have more safety than more fire, but it's not up to me. You can adjust the sights like that, move it down, sights go that way, move it up, sights come this way. This knob right here, move it down, no, move it up. This sight goes up like this. This part goes up like that. It has clips for a sling, but this gun does not come with a sling. You have to purchase a sling separately, unfortunately, which really sucks. It has loading racks so that you can customize it, all kinds of junk, and pretty much it about the gun. It is relatively small for a rifle, I think. That's my own personal opinion, but I do think it's kind of small. The BBs that come with this gun are Crosman Airsoft Premium Ammo. 500 of them, 0.12 grams, 6mm seamless Airsoft BBs. I don't recommend these BBs because these BBs, about 20 feet out of the barrel, they have a tendency to pop up like they're going forward, and then 20 feet up, 20 feet out, they go for no apparent reason. I stuck some of my own BBs in there that I bought from a different company and worked just fine. Flew straight, no biggie. Accuracy, even with my BBs, was pretty good, not amazing. Firepower is 300 feet per second, which is good for a spring-powered rifle. Again, no semi-automatic, no automatic. Spring-powered. Pull it back, fire. Pull it back, fire. That's how it works. That's pretty much it. Yeah. So I recommend this rifle highly over some of the other rifle brands. Again, Elite Renegade military style airsoft rifle, sold by GameFace. It says new. I really don't think it's new. I think they just like this is new, but we're lying. Buy this gun. It's a good gun.